All right, guys, welcome back to a brief video. So I mounted up another Nubia 9. I bought you the Nubia 9 cases. These are the cases from the iPhone and several other phones. I actually mounted one right here because I wanted to have one in this view right here. And then I also kept this one down here. I can use it down there as well. But I wanted to show you how strong these things were. So I'm going to try to catch a little bit of video here driving. They're not, it won't come off, but I wanted to just show you here. These are very strong. A very strong set of, the shakiness is going to come from my hand. I don't have my cell phone mount and I don't have my camera with me either. I'm just using one of my phones to record. But the mount itself is very strong. It's a very, very strong mount. And again, I like where I put it right here so it can be in view, because this car right here that I have it in, it's a little bit of a sport. It's a two-door. It's a coupe. And so I don't ride anybody in the back. And then it's more of a sports car. So, and the one that I have down here is right by it. So, yeah, I wanted to go ahead and show you the mounts really hold up well. So this is just a brief follow-up video of me showing you that they do stick on very well. Believe it or not, the road I'm on, it's not the bumpiest road, but it's not the smoothest either. So this gives you some sense of how the mount will do. If I have it mounted in an area where it could possibly fall off, but I mounted it there for convenience. I genuinely want it there, not for the video, because remember in the original video I mounted it down here. And then I had another one, so I said, I'm going to go ahead and mount it up here and put it in a spot where I'm genuinely going to use it. That way I can keep my eyes close to the road if something happens. And also my face unlock works perfectly fine right here. Putting it down here was cool and everything, but I'll just keep it there for storing purposes. I'll put my other iPhone there. But this one right here is this spot where I have it is actually really good. So just wanted to give you a brief follow-up video on this mount and the case. It's actually really solid. That's a bumpy spot. It's not going to fall off though. The magnets on this thing are just fantastic, and then also the 3M that they're using is super strong. So anyway, it's your man Jay. I had to show it to you like this. And I'm going to get my eyes back on the road. But there it is. Nice mounted up there. And I have another one down here too. All right. I'll see you in the next video.